Welcome to the Autoverse, your go-to place for everything automotive. In today's video, we're diving into a unique classic vehicle that has been given a modern twist. The Citroen 2CV Restomod. This iconic car, known for its simplicity and charm, has now been restored and modernized, offering the best of both worlds. Let's take a closer look at this timeless classic with some contemporary upgrades. The Citroen 2CV, originally introduced in the late 1940s, has always been known for its quirky design and practicality. However, the 2CV Restomod brings the classic design to the modern era with some key upgrades. While the exterior retains the signature charm of the original 2CV, including the unique corrugated steel panels and round headlights, the Restomod version incorporates some modern touches. The bodywork is often restored to pristine condition, and some versions feature sleek paint jobs and subtle modifications that give the car a more refined look, while maintaining the character of the original under the hood. The Citroen 2CV Restomod typically boasts an upgraded engine compared to the original. While the classic 2CV was powered by a modest 0.4-liter or 0.6-liter twin-cylinder engine, the Restomod often features a more powerful engine for improved performance and efficiency. Depending on the Restomod kit, it might come with an upgraded 1.4-liter engine, or even a fully electric powertrain for those who want a greener driving experience. The modernized engine options give the 2CV Restomod the necessary power for a more enjoyable driving experience, while still maintaining the lightweight, fun-to-drive characteristics of the original. The engines are paired with modern suspension systems, improving the ride quality and handling without losing the car's original charm. Inside the cabin, the Citroen 2CV Restomod is a perfect mix of classic design and modern comfort. The dashboard often gets a modern upgrade with contemporary materials and a more intuitive layout, while the original minimalist approach is preserved. The interior features comfortable, modern seats and often includes upgrades such as air conditioning, better sound insulation, and advanced infotainment systems with Bluetooth connectivity. Some versions even offer leather upholstery and other high-end finishes, giving the car a more luxurious feel while still retaining the utilitarian vibe that made the 2CV famous. The 2CV Restomod is all about practicality, with the classic rear seats and cargo space, which are perfect for city driving and weekend getaways. Whether you're looking to cruise down country roads or simply enjoy a drive around the city, the Citroen 2CV Restomod is sure to bring a smile to your face. The inclusion of modern safety features, such as upgraded brakes and stability control, ensures that the vehicle is as safe as it is stylish. As for the price, a Citroen 2CV Restomod can vary significantly based on the level of customization and the specific restorations involved. On average, a fully restored 2CV with modern upgrades can cost anywhere from $20,000 to $40,000, depending on the engine choice, interior features, and other enhancements. The electric conversion models may command a higher price due to the added costs of the powertrain. In conclusion, the Citroen 2CV Restomod is a perfect blend of nostalgia and modern innovation. It offers the iconic look and feel of the original, while adding the performance, comfort, and features that today's drivers expect. If you love classic cars with a modern twist, this is one vehicle that's definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to subscribe to the Autoverse for more exciting content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.